We are well into summer, and most of us just want to be outdoors, not slaving away in a hot kitchen. So how about some fun, quick ideas for delicious meals that don't take a lot of time, and they are tasty. We welcome hospitality expert, that's Hugh Groman, who's cutting up the tomatoes right now. How are you?
I'm great.
Good to have you here.
Thanks for having me here.
You got a little tilapia cooking up here.
Yeah.
You're cutting up some tomatoes.
I'm going to demonstrate just the easiest possible summer dinner, taking advantage of tomatoes in the summer, which are just so delicious you don't have to do a lot to them.
Just cut them and throw a little something on them, right?
Exactly. So I want to just show you how to cook this fish.
Okay.
Super easy. Couple tips. Use a nice non-stick pan, works great.
They sure do, especially with fish.
Or cast iron works good. And then what you do is you just get the pan nice and hot. I've already got one going. You give it a little oil.
And that's just olive oil?
It is just olive oil.
Okay.
And I've got some nice kosher salt. I'm seasoning really carefully.
Why is it always better when you sprinkle it as opposed to...
Well, because you want even. You want to have control over the seasoning.
Awesome.
And then you just gently go down like that. And then a little more salt and pepper. When you're cooking simply, you have to pay more attention to the quality of your ingredients. And you have to pay more attention to the freshness, and you have to pay more attention to the seasoning. The
that
salt
S&P
and pepper.
Makes a big difference, doesn't it?
It makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
So I've got another one here I just done the same thing too, but it's just been sitting there, and you can see it's almost done.
Right.
I didn't even have to turn it over.
You didn't have to flip it.
And I'm going to do it that way because I want to show you, and you can do this on the barbecue as well, same thing. You don't have to turn it over, and that keeps it from falling apart.
And you'd like your fish a little more on the rare side as opposed to well done.
Yeah, not overcooked. And then you're also going to get a nice sear on that because I'm giving it lots of time to cook on the pan to get that brown color that you want, the caramelization.
Okay, so this is cooking. You just got some cherry tomatoes, some plum tomatoes.
So we're going to just serve this with some mixed medley tomatoes. These are like, you know, all the different colors. And these, in the summer, these are so sweet. And
they're great, right off the vine.
And then I'm just going to slice up some avocado. And, you know, not everybody knows how to cut it this way, so you just cut it. And then the easy way to get out the pit.
I do this. Boom. Out it comes. You got to be careful, though.
Yeah, you got to be careful. And then you just take a spoon and you slice it up.
Now, my sister actually peels the whole avocado out. You can do that, but...
You can do it if you get the right size spoon.
I'm in your book.
See how fast that was?
Oh, my God. Boom, boom, boom.
Then you just slice this up and you put these on the plate. And...
perfect.
I happen to have one.
You've done this before.
I have a little bit of experience.
And you know what? I love the color. Because your final plate, you're going to present this.
It's
and people
so simple.
Say, I can't eat this. It's too beautiful.
You've got the green and you've got the red. And then here, I'm going to just wipe my hands. And then, again, the careful seasoning. Salt.
Ah, yeah. A little salt.
Kosher salt.
A little pepper, maybe?
And then pepper. And, you know, you could put, like, on the fish, you could add some ground cumin. That would be delicious. And then that's it. See, watch this. Then you just go.
And flip the fish on there, right?
And I see I didn't even have to turn that fish.
Oh, look at that.
Boom.
Dinner is served.
And
I'd probably throw tartar sauce on that. Would you kill me?
Tartar sauce is a great idea. In this case, I'm just going to do a little sherry wine vinegar.
Oh, my goodness.
Again, so easy because it's just the vinegar is just ready.
Let me ask you this. I've got all these recipe books at home, and I go to the store. I buy the same stuff time and time again. Yeah. Why can't we be more creative?
This is extra virgin olive oil, and then that's it. You know, you can be more creative, but it does take a little time and attention. Yeah. It's kind of a personality thing. My husband loves to take out a cookbook and do something new every time. Right. But, you know, food is also something that we look to for comfort.
Right.
So we often will go back to the same things because
I've got some go-to stuff. You know, I bake stuffed shrimp, and I cook salmon in a special way on lemons and whatnot. I keep doing the same thing over and over again. Yeah. This is fun.
Well, let's, you know, watch a TV show, maybe watch KTV News and see me demonstrate some new things, then you can try them. So, and then we just got a little lemon wedge. So it's just a sherry wine vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, and I put some chives on there if you've got some chives or some
I'm really glad I'm hungry right now.
Yeah. Oh, let's taste.
Shall we? Do we have time for a little bite?
Here we go.
All right. And this is the tilapia?
Yeah.
All right.
So, I mean, literally this took 5 minutes. All right. And it does take 5 minutes.
Wow. This fish is...
And it takes a couple extra minutes to eat it.
With a little avocado. Oh, my God.
See, it's...
What's that sauce?
It's just sherry wine vinegar and olive oil. Here's the trick. Sherry wine vinegar is, you know, an acid. The lemon, too. You need a little acidity to add dimension to the dish.
And this took what?
It was
10 minutes?
4 minutes, 5 minutes. So the trick is careful seasoning, richness with a little bit of the olive oil. The avocado adds richness, salt, pepper, and the acidity from the lemon.
We got to go, Hugh, but be sure and leave that plate, okay?
I'm going to give you all this food.
He's Hugh Groman. He's a hospitality expert and a chef extraordinaire. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me back, Frank.
Good to have you back.